Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Laura.
I'm Hanna.
And this week you're going to get 2 Hydraulic Press channel videos in 1 week as a Black Friday offer. What an amazing time to be alive.
And today we are going to make a world record.
Yes, the most amount of paper exploded in 1 go with hydraulic press. And we are not going to use the whole A4 because this is too large, it doesn't explode. So we are going to cut smaller parts out of it that will explode, but then it's going to be a flimsy paper tower that doesn't stay up. And Hanna, what happens if it doesn't stay up?
It's not going to be any fun if it doesn't stay up.
Yeah, so it's going to need a little bit help, but I have a plan. Yeah, but first we have to prepare the paper, and we are going to prepare the paper and do the support with this steel box, square tube. It's done. Yeah, let's see how it works. Hanna remembered that we had the concept of Hold My Beer Wednesday. This feels like it. And now, while you all hold my beer, I'm going to cut the paper. Like this. Okay, let's go out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see it from here. It doesn't look super safe. But what is super nice is the fact that I programmed the press to stop on the plywood. Is the steel tube like...
Bending.
Does it look good? Let's go have a look. Why the paper cutter isn't cutting the paper? The plywood is getting crushed and the paper isn't getting cut. Okay, more force. I think now it's ready.
What?
Yeah, I think our support didn't stay up. Okay, what is...
I found that the paper has stoned.
Stoned. Rockified.
Yeah.
Stonified. Okay, so the last tube was too flimsy, but now we have the thicker tube, and I'm not going to use the grinder to sharpen it because it's a round, and when things are round, then the lathe is your best friend. So I'm going to attach it here and then make it super sharp. Turn this slightly. Yep. It's tight. Change the tool, flip the tool. How sharp? Let's make it super sharp like that. I polish it slightly to make it look more scary. And maybe add some red paint so it looks like it's already killed somebody. I think it looks pretty good. No niin, Anna, you are ready to see this. What do you think?
Oh, why does this look like a blood?
It's already killed somebody.
I think so too. Yeah. It's terrifying.
Yeah, let's try it out. I think it's
try.
going to work much better. I give
Okay.
I give really high chances that it's going to get stuck.
Okay.
Why it's so hard to cut paper? How they cut it in the paper factory?
But there is some. I think it's a success.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Now I know why it's happening.
Yeah.
It's just on the because it's like this.
Yeah.
So it goes there.
Yeah.
It should be like this. So then it wouldn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
So I fucked up.
Yeah, you have fucked up.
Okay, new title of the video. How hard can it be to cut paper? Okay, I go do this one more time because it's rolled. I didn't expect that. I was so sure that this is going to work, but no.
I think we just have to put less.
No, more.
Look how beautiful this is.
I have all the solutions to all of our problems. You're going to be surprised how easy this is.
Here you can see the beauty of the Finnish language. Oholat, uhullet, uuden huller, but in Finnish, reiittämätön.
This might go wrong, so nobody be here if it flies out.
Otto has to make sure that if Lauri dies, you get that to the camera.
Okay, the upgrades are, it's not so sharp. It's like What is this?
Shallow
Angle.
Lower angle.
Different angle.
Okay.
And then it's not anymore like this, but it's like this. Goes like hot pea into the snow. That's the highest possible quality on cutting something in Finland. Hot pea into the snow.
Yep.
Let's try. Are you?
Yeah.
But hey, this is Hold My Beer Wednesday,
I
not
know.
Let's Make It Safe Wednesday. Hey, and if you are doing something just as accurate as this with your press, you can get any profit press machine with this computer thing. And here, if you have the also position sensor, you can decide how down it's going to go, so you don't break your tools like we have been doing here the whole day. There is sales email down in description for the hydraulic presses. We ship to over 100 countries. Hanna's Let's Keep It Safe Wednesday is going to replace my Hold My Beer Wednesday.
It's my Let's Get Home on Wednesday.
Okay, now it's going to cut. I think we still need a bit more because the paper doesn't look relaxed. I put 5 more millimeters. Yeah,
That sound of ready.
best thing is to just put it there and let's keep cutting.
Okay.
The whole deck, now it works. Okay, it's going to be probably really hard to get the paper out from the tube, so we are going to put more it there. So when it's hard, it's like really hard. There, it was easier with the wrappings. The wrappings gave support to the paper. Okay, it's almost full now.
Now what?
I take a hammer.
Oh.
Hold it. I think we need to use the second press to push it out.
Yeah. Luckily we have more presses.
Okay, luckiest day of my life was when I met Hanna, but this is really close to the second. Look how well this fits here. We can just push the paper out. What is, Hanna, your luckiest day, and does this come to close?
No. This is not even into the most of 10. Stop. 6.
We made paper plates. Okay, I think this is enough. It's not probably the world record, but this is good, honest effort.
Yeah, it's our record.
But this is pre-crushed, so it might be interesting. Let's explode it away. Okay, we are pretty bad on cutting paper, but we are pretty goddamn good on selling dies because we have a sale, Black Friday sale on our dice shop. All the dies are minus 15%. It's the only discount of the whole year. And we have also brand new material, cobalt dies. Why we are manufacturing cobalt dies? Because we can. There is really no another reason. And that's also only reason to buy one, because you can buy it now from us. It's the world's first and last cobalt dies. Nobody else is stupid enough to make such a thing, but we made it, so you can buy it. And there is still cobalt dies available. We are running quite low on tungsten, but we are machining more at this point when I'm talking. So I'm pretty sure that we can also ship these straight away out. Yeah, but it's museumdice.com. There is link down in description. Go check it out. And it's also best way to support the channel and stupid activities that we perform here. Now let's explode this. Slightly pre-crushed paper. How exploded is it? Here it goes. It's surprisingly strong. I think it's because pre-crushed. I go place a small steel cylinder on top of it. I think it's going to make interesting shrapnel because it's slightly rockified.
Nice escalation.
Yeah, I think that is about all for today.
Yeah.
Things don't work out very well today. But we have more well-planned video on Saturday. So
Yeah.
enjoy this Black Friday week special. Yeah, that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.